Things are not going as planned. What do you mean? I could not find this turkey anywhere. And I wasn't able to buy it because the rest of the goblins thought that I was so ugly based off of my nose. I don't understand. Why would they make fun of you? I don't know. Well, guess what? You know what I'm having for Thanksgiving? What? This. No, get that thing off. Okay. You can't eat stuff like that. But I'm a goblin. That I'm eating the new heads. That's the old head. I need the new head. No, that's not what we want. Then what is it then? I need a turkey. You're gonna help me out, okay? Alright, fine. Alright. So where's this turkey at? Oh wait, look up there. Oh wait, hold up a second. I know just the thing. I think the turkey's dead. Perfect. Alright, finally, we have the turkey. You guys got it? What the? We found this gigantic bird. So, what are you thankful for? Well, actually, first, let's start with me. I'm thankful for all of you. Well, that's nice. And I'm thankful that, I'm thankful that I get paid every day for money, for arresting criminals. And what are you thankful for? I can't see because my nose keeps falling up. What are you thankful for? I'm thankful for helping goblins because I'm a nurse. Yeah, and thankful that we're alive. So what are we waiting for? Let's have this turkey. Great idea. Ha ha ha.